This is a 1977 Puch Newport with the E50 transmission. Down to the model year and color, this is the same moped that Tobey Maguire and his stuntman used in Sam Raimi's Spider-Man 2 and Spider-Man 3. If you'd like the lowdown, then I do a series of breakdown videos about my favorite movie cars and movie vehicles. I did one about the Puch Newport in Spider-Man 2 and Spider-Man 3 a few months ago. I got this moped because it was the same exact thing that Cyril O'Neil put together for the Sam Raimi verse. I think there are different approaches, different reasons behind getting new projects. I started this channel as a place to store my homework and my projects and assignments, all those instructions. And then I put together a couple car build videos, and they did okay. But then last November I started making the picture car series. I wanted a channel that was sort of similar to Sideways, but instead of diving deep and getting nerdy about the music, I wanted to geek out about all the different movie cars. There isn't a channel like that, so I started making the videos. Incredibly enough, my channel just crossed the 500 subscriber threshold. And that's just mind-boggling. 500 people can't fit inside of this garage. It's amazing that more than 500 people, aside from my family, would want to watch things that I create. And I'm super grateful for it, but with that subscriber count, there's a little bit of an odd responsibility. I'm only making videos because I like doing it. When I don't enjoy doing it, then I skip that week. But I have 500 subscribers that clicked on that button for a channel that has automotive content, educational content, and any of that stuff pulls from movie inspiration. I got this Puch Newport to start the second chapter of my channel. I wanted to do a cheaper project. I wanted that project to tie deeply into a movie that I love. And I want that project to be educational not only to me, but to all of my subscribers. I'll still be making videos about the Ford Probe and the Ford Bronco when I can. I'll still use this channel for my educational content as well for my classroom, and I'll still make picture cars videos as fillers. But as my time with the Ford Bronco comes to an end, it's time to look on toward more on-brand projects. This isn't a resource for Puch Moped owners, at least that's not the primary scope of this series. This is my attempt at combining cinematic aesthetics with automotive projects. So we're doing it. This is the first official Cinemotive Garage project. My name is Josh, and I'd like to introduce you to Spider-Man's Moped. Let's get to work.